Welcome to UpEnglish. In today's story, we'll explore the life of one of France's most famous queens, Marie Antoinette. You'll learn new words and phrases while discovering how a simple rumor changed history forever. Let's begin. Listen carefully. The queen who never said, "Let them eat cake." In the late 1700s, France was a country of rich kings and starving people. The beautiful palace of Versailles stood in sharp contrast to the poor streets of Paris. At the heart of this world was Marie Antoinette, a young Austrian princess who became the Queen of France at just 19 years old. At first, the French people loved her. She was charming, fashionable, and full of life. But as time passed, things began to change. France was running out of money, and people were hungry. Marie Antoinette's love for fancy dresses and big parties made her an easy target for blame. Many thought she didn't care about the poor. One day, a rumor spread. It was said that when Marie Antoinette heard people couldn't afford bread, she coldly replied, "Let them eat cake." The people were furious. How could their queen be so heartless? But here's the twist. Marie Antoinette never said those words. Historians believe the quote was made up, and it first appeared in a book written by philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau before she even became queen. Still, the story stuck, and her reputation suffered. As anger grew, France exploded into revolution. In 1789, crowds stormed Versailles, forcing the royal family to move to Paris. Marie Antoinette tried to stay calm, but her Austrian roots made people suspicious. Many believed she was secretly helping France's enemies. In 1791, the royal family tried to escape to Austria, but they were caught and brought back to Paris. This failed escape, known as the Flight to Varennes, made things even worse. The people felt betrayed. The king, Louis XVI, was put on trial and executed in 1793. Not long after, it was Marie Antoinette's turn. She was accused of crimes she didn't commit, spending too much money, betraying France, and even terrible things about her children. She stood in court, proud and calm, but the verdict was clear: death by guillotine. On her last day, Marie Antoinette, dressed in white. When she accidentally stepped on the executioner's foot, she politely said, "Pardon me, sir. I didn't mean to." These were her final words before the blade fell. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Rumor, meaning a piece of information or a story that is passed from one person to another, but may not be true. Example: one day, a rumor spread that Marie Antoinette had said, "Let them eat cake," coldly, meaning in an emotionless or unfriendly manner. Example: when Marie Antoinette heard people couldn't afford bread, she coldly replied, "Let them eat cake." Twist, meaning an unexpected change or turn in a story, event, or situation. Example: the twist is that Marie Antoinette never said those words, as historians believe the quote was made up. Reputation, meaning the beliefs or opinions that are generally held about someone or something. Example: despite never saying the quote, Marie Antoinette's reputation suffered due to the rumor. Exploded, meaning to erupt or burst out suddenly, often with great force or intensity. Example: as anger grew, France exploded into revolution. Stormed, meaning to attack or enter somewhere with force and violence. Example: in 1789, crowds stormed Versailles, forcing the royal family to move to Paris. Roots, meaning the background, origin, or cultural heritage of a person or thing. Example: Marie Antoinette's Austrian roots made people suspicious of her. Flight, meaning an act of running away or attempting to escape. Example: in 1791, The royal family attempted the flight to Varennes, but was caught and brought back to Paris. Betrayed, meaning to be disloyal or unfaithful, especially by revealing or harming someone's trust. Example, the people felt betrayed when the royal family tried to escape to Austria. Verdict, meaning a decision made after a trial, especially a judgment or conclusion about someone's guilt or innocence. Example, the verdict was clear, death by guillotine. Pardon, meaning to forgive someone for an offense or mistake. Example, on her last day, Marie Antoinette politely said, "Pardon me, sir, I didn't mean to," after stepping on the executioner's foot. Guillotine, meaning a machine used for executing people by beheading them, especially during the French Revolution. Example, Marie Antoinette's fate was sealed, and she was executed by guillotine. Listen to the story carefully one more time. The queen who never said, "Let them eat cake." In the late 1700s, France was a country of rich kings and starving people. The beautiful palace of Versailles stood in sharp contrast to the poor streets of Paris. At the heart of this world was Marie Antoinette, a young Austrian princess who became the Queen of France at just 19 years old. At first, the French people loved her. She was charming, fashionable, and full of life. But as time passed, things began to change. France was running out of money, and people were hungry. Marie Antoinette's love for fancy dresses and big parties made her an easy target for blame. Many thought she didn't care about the poor. One day, a rumor spread. It was said that when Marie Antoinette heard people couldn't afford bread, she coldly replied, "Let them eat cake." The people were furious. How could their queen be so heartless? But here's the twist. Marie Antoinette never said those words. Historians believe the quote was made up, and it first appeared in a book written by philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau before she even became queen. Still, the story stuck, and her reputation suffered. As anger grew, France exploded into revolution. In 1789, crowds stormed Versailles, forcing the royal family to move to Paris. Marie Antoinette tried to stay calm, but her Austrian roots made people suspicious. Many believed she was secretly helping France's enemies. In 1791, the royal family tried to escape to Austria, but they were caught and brought back to Paris. This failed escape, known as the flight to Varennes, made things even worse. The people felt betrayed. The king, Louis XVI, was put on trial and executed in 1793. Not long after, it was Marie Antoinette's turn. She was accused of crimes she didn't commit, spending too much money, betraying France, and even terrible things about her children. She stood in court, proud and calm, but the verdict was clear: death by guillotine. On her last day, Marie Antoinette dressed in white. When she accidentally stepped on the executioner's foot, she politely said, "Pardon me, sir. I didn't mean to." These were her final words before the blade fell. Thank you for joining us for this story of Marie Antoinette. Her life teaches us that sometimes a rumor can change the course of history. Even though she never said, "Let them eat cake," the words defined her in the eyes of many. Keep practicing your English, and remember, there's always more to a story than meets the eye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to UpEnglish for more lessons. See you next time.